Hi students, today we are going to discuss about linear equations in one variable. 8th class second chapter, exercise 2.5, ninth question. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days B alone can finish it? Solution: number of days will be taken by A and B to complete the work equal 12 days. A and B 1 day work equal 1 by 12. Number of days will be taken by A to complete the work 20 days. A 1 day work equal 1 by 20. Let B takes X days to complete the work 1 day work equal 1 by X. 1 by 20 plus 1 by X equal 1 by 12. 1 by 20 plus 1 by X equal 1 by 12. 1 by X equal 1 by 20 transposing to right hand side. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. 1 by X equal 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. First of all, LCM 60. 12 5 ja 60. 5 into 1 minus 12 3 ja 60. 3 into 1. 1 by X equal 5 1 ja 5 minus 3 1 ja 3 by 60. 1 by X equal 2 by 60. 2 1 ja 2 30 ja. 1 by X equal 1 by 30. Number of days to take B to complete the work 30 days. 10th question. If a train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. Speed, time. Speed and time. 40 kilometers per hour, late by 11 minutes. 50 kilometers per hour, late by 5 minutes. Solution: let the distance travelled by a train equal x kilometer. Speed 1 equal 40 kilometer per hour. Time 1 equal time formula. We know that distance by speed. Distance equal to x, speed equal 40. Speed 2 50 kilometer per hour. Time 2 distance by speed equal distance equal to x, speed equal 50. Time 1 minus time 2 equal 11 minutes minus 5 minutes equal 6 minutes. Time 1 equal x by 40 minus time 2 equal x by 50 equal 6 minutes. Convert to hours. 6 by 60. X by 40 minus x by 50. First of all LCM 200. 45 is 200. 5 into x minus 50. 4 is 200. 4 into x equal 6 1 is 6 10 is 1 by 10. 5 into x 5x minus 4 into x 4x by 200 equal 1 by 10. 5x minus 4x equal x by 200 equal 1 by 10. Cross multiply. 10 into x equal 1 into 200. 10 into x 10x equal 1 into 200 200. X equal 200 by 10. 0 0 cancel. X equal 20. The distance travelled by a train equal 20 kilometers. 11th question. 1/4 of a head of deer has gone to the forest. 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field, and remaining 15 are drinking water on the banking of a river. Find the total number of deers. Solution. Let the total number of deer x number of deer has gone to the forest. One by 4 into x equal x by 4. Number of deer grazing in field. 1 by 3 into x equal x by 3. Number of remaining deer equal 15. According to some total number of deer x equal number of deer has gone to the forest x by 4 plus number of deer grazing in field, x by 3, number of remaining days, plus 15. X equal x by 4 plus x by 3, first of all LCM, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 3 into x, plus 3 4 is 12, 4 into x, plus 15. X equal 3 into x, 3x, plus 4 into x, 4x by 12 plus 15. X equal 3x plus 4x equal 7x by 12 plus 15. X 7x by 12 transposing to left hand side, minus 7x by 12 equal 15. X by 1 minus 7x by 12, first of all LCM 12. 1 12 ja 12, 12 into x, minus 12 1 ja 12, 1 into 7x equal 15. 12 into x, 12x, minus 1 into 7x, 7x by 12 equal 15. 12x minus 7x, 5x by 12 equal 15. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. X by 12 equal 3. X equal 3 into 12. X equal 3 12 ja, 36. Total number of deer equal 36. 12th question. By selling a radio for 903 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. Solution. Selling price of a radio equal 903 rupees. Gain equal 5%. Find the cost price. We know that cost price formula, selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain. Cost price equal, selling price equal 903 into 100 by 100 plus gain equal 5. Cost price equal 903 into 100 by 100 plus 5, 105. 8.6 are 903. Cost price equal 8.6 into 100. Cost price equal 860. The cost price of the radio equal 860 rupees. 13th question. Shaker gives a quarter of his sweet to Renu and then gives 5 sweets to Raji. He has 7 sweets left. How many did he have to start with? Solution. Number of sweets with Shaker excel. Number of sweets 4. Number of sweets given to Raji. Till he has 7 sweets left. Total sweets x equal number of sweets given to Renu x by 4 plus number of sweets given to Raji 5. He has 7 sweets left. X equal x by 4. 5 plus 7 equal 12. X by 4 transposing to left hand side minus x by 4 equal 12. X by 1 minus x by 4, first of all LCM 4. 1 4 ja 4, 4 into x. 4 1 ja 4, 1 into x equal 12. 4 into x 4x minus 1 into x x by 4 equal 12. 4x minus x equal 3x by 4 equal 12. 3x equal 12 into 4. 3x equal 12 4 ja 48. X equal 48 by 3. X equal 3 1 ja 3 16 ja. X equal 60. Number of sweets with Sakkar. At the beginning. Equal 16.